Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will see about the levels. So, what is levels? Levels are basically a reference point. From from that reference point, we can add slab, beam, columns, etc. Whatever we want. So, here you can see for floors, there are two levels are already present. Level one, level two. And for ceiling plans, there are still two levels, level one and level two. So, if you want to currently we are in level one. If you wanted to open the level two, so you need to basically uh, click on twice on the level two. Then level two can be open. Similarly, if you wanted to open the level one plan of this level one of this ceiling plan, so you just need to click twice on this, and this particular level will be open. Similarly, you can open the level two also. Let's see. Yeah, just click twice and it will be open. Okay, now let's see what is the elevation. Here you can see east, west, north, side, four side of elevation are present here. So basically, these elevation are from this dot you can see on the screen. So these elevation are from here. You can see if I click on here, this one is a east elevation. This one is a west elevation. You can see the west on can be seen, and this one is you can see this one is a north elevation, and again this one is a south elevation. We will come again on this later in detail. So as of now, just see wattage level. So just let me click on the east elevation. uh, it will give a better idea what each level are exactly. So you can see there are level 1 and level 2. Similarly, you can see on from when you are seeing from the east side, level 1 and level 2, you can see what that means. So what is the difference between level and level 2 currently? Level 1 is at currently on 0 level, and the level 2 at 4000 mm, means 4 meter at height. So if you wanted to add more number of levels, so basically you just need to click on this option, this one, and just press it, and now you can add more number of levels if you wanted. Here you can also see the dimension at whatever height, or at whatever height you wanted to add the levels you can add. Let's suppose I just wanted to add a level at 3.5 meter. So yeah, just select on there, and you can add the level. You can add as much number of as level as you want. So depending upon your project requirement, you can add the level. Okay. So see, you can add how much number of level you want. You can add. So once you done with the levels and you want, still your level command is active. Let's see, still your level command is active. So if you wanted to exit from the command, then basically you can, so for that you can press on this cross arrow, or you can just exit from, you can just press two times of escape button, one, two, and I am out of that command. So here are my levels. So you can see this level are not in uniform manner. You can see these three levels are, all the levels are coming up and down, up and down. So for that, you just click on the level. See, all the levels are come in a uniform manner. Similarly, for let me do for this also. Yeah, yes, these are also coming in a uniform manner. So you can see here is a lock option here. If you uncheck this, let me uncheck this, and now you just pull this level option up and up. You can see this single line is moving. Now let me let bring this in original position, and now this one is locked, and the all the levels are locked. So if you move in a single line, you can see if you are just moving this one, and all the levels lines are moving, and if you just unlock this and now move your line, so you can see you just moving your just a particular line, you just particular level or particular line. you can say. That's uh, that's the function of this block option. Okay. And you can see that as we are adding more numbers of level here, this in similar manner, all the levels are reflecting here also. See, level 1 to level 6 in the floor plan and level 1 to level 6 in the ceiling plan. And for that particular level, here is the east view we are seeing.